how you get animation, how you get use images and ChatGPT 4. You come here, go here, right, create event calculus. Easy. Speaking Portuguese, but you can trade. And now do it do it in Python animation. Show for you. Go here. Show for me. I copy this code. And you can use that for any code. Go to see. That code. It's the right answer of the exercise. And you can see. I will show for you the first. Well, finish the code. Now copy the code and you get started. Now I go here and copy the code. Ctrl V, Ctrl S, Python. Go to the right answer. Now you can see. You can see the right answer right now here. The animation of the van. That is the video. See you later.